Hey drone technology fans, Bill
and Valerie here.
JJRC H47 Elfie Plus giveaway announcement. We'll have that coming right up. I'm excited to introduce to you my videographer, best friend, and soulmate, my lovely wife Valerie, who's going to give you all the details about the giveaway.
Thank you, sweetheart. The rules of this giveaway are very straightforward and simple. Number one, you must like and comment, "I want to win the Elfie Plus because of blank" on Bill's review video. A link for the video will be provided in the description. Number two, you must be a subscriber to Bill the Drone Reviewer. Number three, you must be 18 years of age or older. Number four, the giveaway is open to anyone who meets the above requirements from today, May the 12th, until 12 a.m. Eastern, May the 31st. The winner will be selected at random on June the 1st using software designed for that purpose and announced on YouTube. Number six, the winner has 48 hours to email me their acknowledgement and complete address to BillTheDroneReviewer@gmail.com. If no one responds back in that time frame, another winner will be selected at random. That's it. Pretty straightforward and simple.
Thank you very much, sweetheart. Very easy to enter to win this fun little drone from JJRC. Look for another contest announcement in June. Question of the day: should I have Valerie more videos including Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI or Autel related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I post daily updates there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!